Visibility on the road is critical for the success of any driver. Today, there are millions of vehicles on the road with yellowed or hazed headlight lenses. The poor condition of these lenses compromise the light intensity and appearance of the vehicle. The 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System will dramatically improve the clarity of vehicle headlight lenses. Restoring the clarity of these headlight lenses increases the visibility for drivers, reduces glare for oncoming traffic, and improves the visual appearance of the headlights. The next few minutes of this video will offer step-by-step instructions for using the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. To begin, you'll need the components included in the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System: a household drill that is rated at 1200 to 1600 revolutions per minute, 3M automotive masking tape, a spray bottle filled with water, and a 3M detail cloth. For large or extremely hazed lenses, more than one kit may be required. Be sure to wear proper respiratory protection and safety glasses, especially when sanding. Clean the lens with soap and water, then, after drying, tape off the area around the lens. With the power disconnected, mount the backup pad onto the 1200 to 1600 RPM drill. Follow the drill manufacturer instructions to properly attach the backup pad securely into the drill. Attach and center the P500 grit gold-colored abrasive disc to the backup pad. Using medium to light pressure, begin sanding to remove the yellowing and surface defects from the lens. A slow and steady back and forth action will be most effective. When the disc is clogged or no longer sanding effectively, replace it with a new P500 grit disc. Some notes about drilling. Do not use excessive pressure down on the drill or the headlight lens. Do not hold the drill in one place while sanding. This can cause the lens surface to heat up and smear, becoming difficult to remove. Hold the drill flat or at a very slight angle and control the drill by using a slow, steady speed across the lens. Wipe off the lens and inspect it to ensure all of the yellowing and defects have been completely removed. If yellowing, defects, or portions of the surface coating still exist, continue sanding with P500 grit discs until they are completely removed. The lens should have a white, evenly sanded surface that appears to look frosted. If any portion looks clear or glossy, continue sanding it before moving to the next step. Remove the P500 disc. Attach and center a P800 grit abrasive disc to the backup pad. These are the white sanding discs with purple printing on the back. Begin sanding using the same light to medium pressure as before, making several passes over the entire lens to be sure that the P500 grit scratches from the previous step are reduced to P800 scratches. Wipe the lens, noticing if the scratches are finer. If coarse scratches are still visible, continue sanding with the P800 disc until the coarse scratches are reduced. Remove the P800 disc and apply the P3000 Trizact foam disc. This is the thin foam disc that looks green or gray in color. Dampen the lens in the P3000 Trizact foam disc with the water bottle, and then, using the same light to medium pressure as before, sand the surface to reduce the P800 scratches to P3000 grit scratches. Add a mist of water if the surface becomes dry while sanding. A white residual or slurry will build up on the lens, indicating that you are reducing the sand scratches. Continue with 4 to 6 passes over the lens after you see the white slurry. If you're not seeing the slurry, make 10 to 12 passes on the lens. Extra sanding will make the next step easier and improve the final clarity of the headlight. Wipe the lens, noticing if the scratches are finer and the lens appears clear. If coarse scratches are still visible, mist the area with water and continue sanding with the P3000 disc until the coarse scratches are reduced. It's now time to polish the lens. Remove the P3000 foam disc from the drill and attach the orange foam compounding pad. Dispense a dime-size amount of 3M headlight lens polish onto the compounding pad and smear the polish with the foam pad around the lens before turning the drill on to reduce splatter. Holding the drill flat, polish the lens until the cloudy haze is gone and the clarity is significantly improved. If additional clarity is needed or desired, add another dime-sized amount of 3M headlight lens polish to the compounding pad and continue buffing. Remove the masking tape and wipe the lens clean with a 3M microfiber detail cloth. Wash any residual spatter from the vehicle using car wash soap and a clean, soft cloth. The lens is now restored and with better clarity and visual appearance, providing clearer light intensity, a nicer looking vehicle, and additional safety when you're out on the road. For more information on these and many other great 3M products, please visit our website at www.3mcarcare.com.